Struggling to launch a product on Amazon? Here's the exact strategy 7-figure sellers use. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a product you could potentially launch that only has 3 competitors and is making over $1 million a month. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Now, let's say you already have a product and it's time to launch. You're about to get ready to launch. You're prepping to launch. What do? Right? And we're selling, let's say, we're selling a golf ball, and it's even louder than the world's loudest golf ball. It's crazy, right? And it's going to generate a lot of sales. But the launch process is so important. If you don't get this right, then the product will maybe never succeed, or it's going to take a lot longer to succeed, right? It usually takes 1 to 3 months to actually become profitable on Amazon if the launch is successful. If not, then it might take a lot longer than that. So that's why we're going through pretty much a little bit of a launch checklist. Now, you want to create a plan. You don't want to be emotional and say, I just know what I'm doing. You want to be like the 7-figure sellers where they have step 1, step 2, step 3, a logical checklist, aka a logical step-by-step phase plan to launch your product right the first time, right? And you want to follow this. Of course, you can recreate it, you can change it, you can manipulate it as needed, but you want to have something like this. And number 1 is obviously to have all of your SEO optimized, right? Your title, your bullet points, description. Do you have back-end search terms? Do you have generic search terms? Do you have back-end keywords behind your A+ content? Do you have back-end keywords behind your brand story? Do you even have a brand story, right? All of these are essential, right? And you can look at the top competitors or reference Helium 10, right? Or another tool. But Helium 10 is a tool on Amazon, that's in the description, or you can just reference top competitors without utilizing Helium 10. Now, of course, we have this special little cheat sheet that you want to know how many letters your title should have, how many letters your description should have, right? And this changes depending on the product you're launching, but this is kind of generic for most clients. So the title should be between 190 and 200 letters. This is pretty much characters. Bullet points between 450 and 500, description, search terms. So we have kind of everything that needs to be filled out. You should have the other attributes filled out, target audience, intended use, subject matter, all of those things on the back end of the listing, as well as the front end of the listing. So have a little checklist, get this done, get it done right, look at your top competitors, and make sure your content doesn't suck, right? Next, we're going to go to pricing. When you first price, right, we're looking at this guy, right? First off, his bullet points suck, but, and so does his title, but he's still generating a significant amount of sales. Now, when we're looking at the pricing, what they see is a product that has slow delivery, right? First off, the product has slow delivery. That's probably because they're sold out. But you want to have fast delivery, aka Amazon FBA, and your price strategy needs to be lower when you first start. If you have a new car brand and nobody knows you, you can't just say, I'm selling my cars for $1 million and expect somebody to buy it. No, even if it looks amazing, you want to start low. Start getting traffic, start getting people buying, and then they're going to tell other people about your product. Amazon's going to see they're buying your product and they're not returning your product, and then your sales are significantly going to go up. It'll help you rank to the first page and so on. So start with a lower price. Also, if your price is low, people are more likely to leave a positive review. That's just how it works. So start with a lower price. So if I was starting this, I would probably start at $9.99. Right, so get a manufacturer, make sure the price is very, very low. Start at $9.99, then you're going to show up pretty much number 2 to them, even number 1 if you do it right, and then you're slowly going to increase the price up to theirs. If your product is better than theirs, you can slowly increase your product price higher than theirs. But do not start with a high price, and don't just start with a tiny bit of a lower price like $18.99. I'm telling you, this is one of the most important things. Almost all of the consultants in the industry talk about this, and clients sometimes have a hard, they're like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to lose money. But this is the beginning. We want you to be successful. And so you start with a low price. Main imagery. The main imagery is going to be super important. The first image, honestly, with this one is pretty darn good. It literally says it's a 3 count, right? It shows that it has an explosive ball, loudest, best prank ever. Like, it's literally a really good first image. So you're gonna need to have an even better or just as good first image as this one. So the first image, and we can look at slide number 19 here. Let me pull this up. So this might help you in your journey. So we actually did this for a client. This is their first image. So they're selling this on the left side, but you wanna look at your first image and you wanna say this to yourself: is it idiot proof? And what that means is if somebody looked at your listing and they only could see your first image, they couldn't see anything else, would they know what the hell it is, right? So we saw our client's product on the left side and I was like, we should add fire, right? Because I don't know what this is. Like, if I show my friend or I show a 10-year-old kid, I'm like, what is this? They're gonna be like, is that like ice cream? Like, what is it? But on the right side, you know exactly what it is. It's portable campfire, a portable fire, right? You want them to know what it is. It needs to be idiot proof. If your first image is not idiot proof, you're doing something wrong, right? And then we can also look at your secondary images. So your secondary images, we're looking at their secondary images. So it's not, here it is. All right, so their secondary images suck in my opinion, but their first image is good, right? And this is something to learn about. So the secondary images should, if you look at some of the competitors, they should kind of stand out. So it should be how to use it in depth, right? It shows the target customer using it. Does this show the target customer using it? In the video it does, but not in any of the secondary images. It doesn't show how to use it. It's got this random red dot. I'm assuming I need to hit it, but it's not, it doesn't really show that. So it should show your target customer using the product. And something like this is HD, right? And even some product details. Instead of that, they just have random pictures. So I do believe the sales would be much higher if they had better secondary images as well. Again, as a present, right? Where's their present? It's the holiday season right now. They don't show this as a present. So there's a lot of different things you can do, but make sure you get those right. It's gonna help your conversion rate. Have a video on your listing. It can be basic. So if we look at their listing, they do have a video, and this definitely helps with their sales, right? So just have a video. It doesn't have to be amazing, just something basic. Here it is working, bop, and then you hear it's super loud. That's all you need. And people are like, oh shit, it does work, right? So they can see it. A+ content. Do they have A+ content? They do have A+ content, and this is actually premium A+ content. It's extremely good. So they have a video here. They've got A+ content. I guess this is featured on a TV show I've never heard of, but that's pretty good. And it looks like they're pretty much viral on TikTok and stuff like that. So pretty darn good in that aspect. That's probably where a lot of their sales are coming from, which is TikTok. But make sure you have a good A+ content. Their A+ content's good. Brand story. Do they have a brand story? They do not. So again, a brand story is essential, and a brand story is going to show up right above here. You can make that in the same section you make A+ content. Right before you make A+ content, it'll say, do you want to make A+ content or a brand story? Make a brand story as well. That's going to help with extra keywords, help your conversion rate. Doesn't have to be amazing, just something simple with good back-end keywords. Next, we have Amazon Vine, right? So your reviews are going to be extremely important. When you first launch, if you don't have any reviews and you run Amazon ads, your conversion rate's going to suck, aka your Amazon ads are going to be very pricey. So try to get at least one review, and that's going to be Amazon Vine. That's going to be the best way. Amazon Vine is where you give away 30 units, and then Amazon picks 30 random people, gives them your product, they leave a verified review. If your product price is too high or as high as the competitor, they're gonna probably give you a bad review. So the lower it is, the easier it is to get good reviews, especially with Vine. Just remember that. That's a pro tip. If you don't have that, you can have a friend purchase your item. This is pretty much against Amazon's policies, but if you have pretty much as last resort, you can have an out-of-state best friend, an out-of-state friend, look for it on Amazon, purchase it, wait for it to be delivered, and leave a review so you can at least get one 5-star review before you start running ads and all that fun stuff. Inventory, make sure you have FBA turned on. If you're running FBM, good luck. That's all I could say. If you're running FBM, most likely you're not going to succeed. And then of course we've got Amazon. So I recommend a budget of $2,000 per product to start. Now this is a lot of money for most people, so you can start with $600, $500, whatever you want to do. But this is kind of like a great way to just get started and then go from there. And here's the campaigns we recommend to have: automatic campaigns, exact match campaigns, and broad match. If you don't know what you're doing, you can just start with automatic campaigns. But again, the conversion rate's not going to be the best until you at least have a review, your first image is good, and your secondary images are good. So really focus on that as well as your title. Now, if we're staying towards the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you a product that only has 3 competitors and is making over $1 million a month. And this is the Tandem Shower Head. So as you can see, they have a video, they're showering together. It's awesome, it's great, so you don't have to hog all of the water. And you can see they're selling for a significant price, but the crazy thing is they're making $1.5 million a month on Amazon. So there's one competitor. This one just popped up. They're making they only have 7 reviews, 7. Right? And they're making $44,000 a month. People are definitely going to want to try to buy this if they're trying to save a couple bucks. And then this one has bad reviews, but they're still making $44,000 a month. That's pretty much it. This isn't the same thing. This isn't the same thing. So there's only 3 competitors right now. Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to succeed on Amazon as well. Now, you don't have to go through this product because there's probably going to be a lot of competitors that are going to pop up now. But this is just an example it took me about 10 minutes to find this product. So if you did need help with product research, feel free to reach out. And that's it for today's video. If you recently conquered something on Amazon, comment it below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you sell on Amazon, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with product research, launching a product, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Right in our description, you can schedule a call, or you can message us on our website. We're happy to help. And our #1 service is where our consultant will help you launch your product. And then what they'll also do is create a phase plan, help you manage your account, call Amazon, create your listings, and even manage your ads. That's our full service management. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.